Hello Long, Bisma and Ethes. We are so happy to see you three in MTR Tuen Line Cam Sheung Road Station right now. So which music do you three want to play with me? Please answer me right now.
I think we will choose the Electro nuclear explosion music with the MTR Tuen Line SP1900 train right now. This is going to be so thrilled right now.
I agree with Long. Electro, nuclear explosion music with the MTR Tuen Line SP1900 train. Makes us so happy right now. We are so ready right now.
Me too, we are like the Electro, nuclear explosion music with the MTR Tuen Line SP1900 train. Right now, an MTR Tuen Line SP1900 train, please start the music right now.
Alright, I got it. Electro, nuclear explosion music with my MTR Tuen Line SP1900 train is on right now. So without further ado, please start the music and enjoy it right now. There, I did it. I finished the nuclear explosion music with my MTR Tuen Line SP1900 train right now. So are you three happy now? Please answer me if you can right now.
Yeah, we are so happy right now. Electro nuclear explosion with the MTR Tuen Line SP1900 train it makes is joyful right now. We should listen it again next time.
I agree with Long. Electro, nuclear explosion music with the MTR Tuen line SP1900 train. Looks so fantastic. This is the best day ever.
Same here. Electro, nuclear explosion music with the MTR Tuen Maline SP1900 train. It makes us happy too. We should do that again next time. Please enjoy it right now.
Wow, good to know that to me, you three. I'm glad you are happy to listen the music with me next time. Since we are reached to the end, I will end this video in here right now, and that's it. Goodbye for now.